You are now a registered online business owner. But what does the Form 2303 mean? Find out in this episode of Tax, kaalaman at usaping tax para sa online sellers. In the last episode, we discussed how to register your online business. Ngayong registered ka na, I'm sure you're holding your certificate of registration and might be wondering, anong ibig sabihin ng nasa form na ito at bakit ito importante? Also known as BIR Form 2303, the certificate of registration is given to you by the BIR once you are fully registered as a business owner. This document gives you the legal rights to operate your business in the Philippines. All professionals and business entities like yours, or partnerships and corporations are required to have the BIR Form 2303. In short, BIR Form 2303 is extremely important. You have to take care of this piece of paper because it is proof that your business is registered. Some businesses have it framed and displayed at their physical store. BIR Form 2303 provides the tax identification number or TIN for your business. And it also states the types of taxes you need to pay and file. Ano nga ba ang mga nasa Certificate of Registration? First is the Revenue District Office or RDO number. This number represents the BIR office that covers your area of business. Dito ka rin magpa-file ng taxes. Next is your TIN or Tax Identification Number. If your business is a partnership, corporation, or cooperative, you will be issued a new TIN. But if you are a sole proprietor or a professional, your personal TIN is indicated here. You can review the business classifications in episode 4. After the TIN is your registration date. This is the date when your TIN was given. Just to review, if you are a professional or a sole proprietor, the registration date might be older if your TIN was issued way back. Pero, if you registered your business as a partnership, corporation, or cooperative, the registration date will be more recent because the TIN is also more recently issued. Below the TIN is the business address. The business address indicates the applied and approved official address of your registered business. Sa baba naman, you will find a space that says Registered Activities and Tax Types. This shows the tax forms that you are required by the BIR to file and to pay. For example, merong registration fee or renewal fee, income tax, and business or sales taxes. Some businesses have additional forms like withholding taxes. We discussed more about withholding taxes on episode 3. Next on the BIR Form 2303 is the trade name. This is the name that you registered with DTI to represent your company. Essentially, this is your store name. And lastly, you can see line of business/industry on the lower part of your certification. The code represents the line of business or category that was assigned by BIR. Of course, depende ito kung ano ang binibenta mong products or services. For example, merong specific code for clothing stores and iba ang code ng stores na nagbebenta ng hair products or skincare items. Just a reminder, the certificate of registration can come in different colors or formats, but they have the same content. Sometimes, your RDO also adds some reminders and checklists to your certification form. This form also includes an official stamp and will be signed by the RDO officer. And that's about it for the BIR Certificate of Registration. This has been Josh and you are watching Tax, kaalaman at usaping tax para sa online sellers. See you on the next episode!